Hi guys, welcome back to Cookbook. There is nothing better than a delicious plate of a veg fried rice made in Indo-Chinese style. And once you have your ingredients prepped, this recipe comes together in under 5 minutes. This is an extremely kid-friendly recipe in case if you have picky eaters around. It's rice, it's salty, and for once they won't even mind the veggies. I'm super excited for this recipe and hope you are too. And if you are, continue watching. There are many ways you can make this exotic fried rice, and in today's video I'll be showing you a combination fried rice which I'm sure you guys are going to love it. It is easy, simple and absolutely amazing. The most important thing about Chinese is to get your wok super hot. So just leave it empty like this on high flame for a few seconds before you add anything. The first thing I'm doing is to add in my regular oil. I'm adding in around roughly 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll wait for this to get hot. I've then added in a lot of garlic and green chilies. Saute this well, guys. As our wok is smoky hot, make sure you keep mixing it well so it doesn't get burnt. And then adding in veggies. You can add any veggies of your choice. You can add in broccolis, corns. I have added red, yellow and green capsicum and some carrots and cabbage. Since our veggies are raw, I would suggest you guys to nicely saute this well and cook it properly. Chinese is all about the texture, guys, so make sure you cook them well. And now I'm adding in some sugar. Why am I adding sugar is for caramelization, guys. It is really important, so make sure you do it. And then adding in white pepper. And now mixing it all well. And time in for our main ingredient, the leftover rice. The most important thing about this recipe is going to be the leftover rice. When we store the rice in the fridge, the moisture is soaked up. So when you toss the rice, it is really dry and nutty. So it is a very important factor, guys, to not use fresh rice. Always use the leftover rice or prepare it in advance and store it in your fridge so it is nice and out of moisture. Adding in my soy sauce. Some red chili sauce. And very little vinegar. And then adding in my favorite element, the noodles. Guys, a very important tip that I can give you is to roast the rice and the noodles very well. So don't fill your pan completely full, as you will find it extremely difficult to toss your rice and noodles. Make sure it's just half, and with very light hand and through a spatula, just toss the whole thing well. Adding in some salt. Make sure you guys go easy on the salt as soy sauce has enough salt already. And with the help of 2 spoons, I'm just mixing it till I know that everything is all come together. This looks absolutely delicious, guys. Roasting your rice and noodles on high flame is super important, guys. So make sure you do this well. And let's taste it. It's perfect, guys. And it's time for plating. I'm just going to transfer this in our serving dish. And our fried rice is ready, guys. And it doesn't have to be eaten with Manchurian, of course, although it tastes excellent with that. This fried rice makes a great meal by itself. And garnishing it with some spring onion greens. I hope this video was useful for you guys, and if you did enjoy watching my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.